Romeo has a die which he thinks might be biased. He is not sure whether the die is more likely or less likely than a fair die to land on 6. He decides to roll the die 100 times and count the number of 6s. Describe a suitable test statistic. Well, that would be the number of times we get a 6. Write down a suitable null hypothesis. H0, the null hypothesis, is usually the situation of no change. So we're going to assume, until we have evidence otherwise, that this die is fair. And so the probability is going to be 1/6. Write down a suitable alternative hypothesis if Romeo wants to test if the die is more likely to land on a 6 than a fair die. So in this case, the alternative would be that P is more than 1/6. Write down a suitable alternative hypothesis if Romeo wants to test if the probability that the die lands on a 6 is not 1/6. So in this case, the alternative is just that the probability is not 1/6.